market today. Ayan. September 26. Yan po. May guava. Okay. Ito po yun ang pumpkin, kalabasa. Ito po yun ang spring onion. Spring onion, $7. Tapos, ito yung kaichoy. Tapos, ito yung ginger, $12. Ang kaichoy is 16 for 10 cents. 16 for 10 cents. Ito po yung kiwi. Nabili ko kay Madam Kiwi. $20. Ito po yung isa pang vegetable. Ang pangalan nito, pochoy. Ganitong pochoy. Ayan, madam. Ganito pochoy. 12.40 cents. Ayan na. Okay. Right. Yung cucumber. 12 pieces, $12. Ito po yung lemon soup. Tongkwa. $8. Ayan. Okay. Ayan po, madam, ha. Ang receipt. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ayan, madam, ha. Hindi natin magpasakit sa pera ninyo. Ito yung guava. 14 pieces. 6 pieces. Alright. Okay. Ito yung chicken wings. Ang chicken wings is 30 yata yun. 51 lahat. Ito yung chicken wings. Okay. Chicken legs. Alright. Ito yung chicken wings. Ano ka na yung chicken wings? Chicken wings. Saan na yung receipt? Ito. Chicken wings. 57 pala siya. 51. 57. 51, madam. Okay, madam. 51. Okay, chicken wings and chicken legs, 51 lahat. Okay. Yan. Hugong! Finish! I drop! Ito naman yung pork at bones pork. Ito naman yung beef. Okay. Kong! I drop! Uy! I drop first! I drop! Don't go there, ha? May finish! Kong!